Steel and stone may cage the street, but ancient hearts still feel the beat. The gods aren't gone, they're just waiting for an invite.
I'm the urban Norseman.
You've asked for the ritual. You've asked how to bridge the gap between the concrete and the campfire. Today we're going to talk about the blot and how to do it in the 21st century. For those of you that are new, just keep in mind that these are suggestions, and no one should ever tell you how to practice your own path. First, you must carve out a space from the mundane world. You don't need a temple, you need intent. And before we look up to the high gods, we look around us. We honor the Landveti, the spirits of the specific place where you stand. Yes, even in the city, they are here. I kindle this fire to warm a space between the walls. Hail to the Veti of concrete and soul, hidden folk of the urban sprawl. Be welcome here. Let there be frith between us. Now, the core, the offering. Historically, this involved blood. But today, we use symbolic blood, libations like mead, high quality ale, or cedar. Something that costs you a little something. A true gift. We pour not the blood of beasts, but the amber sweat of barley, the golden tears of the hive. This is where you state your intent, who you are gifting. Is it a thunderer for strength, the Allfather for wisdom, or your own Deseer, your female ancestors? Keep it simple, a gift for a gift, and you say, Hail to you, I offer you this draught, brew of the highest quality. Accept this gift from my hands, as you grant strength to the world tree, grant strength to my deeds in this Midgard life. Hail to you. The gift has been given. The connection is open. Sit with it in a moment for silence. Feel the shift in the room. Now we must